Ever feel like your cleanser just isn't doing enough? It's either too harsh, too drying, or simply ineffective. Not all cleansers are created equal. Some strip your skin of essential moisture, leaving it dry and uncomfortable. Others leave behind residue, making your skin feel heavy and dull. But what if there was a cleanser that could do it all? Gentle yet effective. Introducing the Rice Water Bright Facial Foaming Cleanser by THEFACESHOP. All goodness of rice water, this foaming cleanser not only purifies your skin, but also nourishes it, leaving it soft, smooth, and radiant. Unlike other cleansers, Rice Water Bright doesn't dry out your skin. Its gentle formula cleanses deeply, removing impurities and makeup residue while keeping your skin's natural moisture intact. Experience the difference with Rice Water Bright Facial Foaming Cleanser for skin that's not just clean, but beautifully radiant. Say goodbye to dull, dry, and irritated skin. Say hello to bright, nourished, and glowing beauty every day. Rice Water Bright Facial Foaming Cleanser, the gentle power of rice water. Buy through the link in the description to get more discount.